It's another gorgeous day in the beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Dean Miskachia with eXp Realty. I am standing today in front of 3609 Southwest 3rd Terrace. This is in Southwest Cape Coral, just on the edge of Northwest Cape Coral by Matlacha and the 7 Island project and many other awesome projects in the works. I'm going to give you a tour today of this beautiful home. This is a new construction home built in 2023. It is a 3-bedroom with a den, 2 full bathrooms, 2,131 square feet. As you can see, it's got a 2-car garage and does have a pool. So let's go inside and check it out. Got the pavers on the front. Love the shutters. This is definitely a modern home. It's got this grand entrance. You could have a small sitting area over here. It's got these large windows. So as soon as you walk in, the first thing you're going to notice are these beautiful porcelain floors. These do have a little gloss to them. Some people love them, some people hate them. But I'll tell you what, they look great in pictures. So technically this would be your TV wall over here. These are 12-foot coffer ceilings. This is also known as the Florida office model because it's got the den over here and it's got the barn doors. Got this beautiful quartz countertop with the waterfall island design. I love the backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. Some of these homes will have the hood above the range. In this situation, they put the microwave in there instead. We got stainless steel appliances. Dishwasher, and of course a disposal. You got a pantry. The builder tends to leave these just the way you see it, so that way after the closing you can put in anything you want. Here's a laundry room. There is space up there for additional cabinets. You got a sink, wash and dryer hookups. This beautiful flooring goes throughout the entire house. Every single room has the matching flooring. And while we're here, we're just going to take a peek inside the garage. You got 2 steps to get down to the garage. That is a hurricane enforced garage door. And to the left, you have the water heater. On top, you have the air handler, or as the people in the north call it, the furnace. Alright, so straight ahead here we have the dining room. You got 2 sliders on each side. One on this side, one on this side. So on those breezy days, open up both doors. Getting some fresh air. This is your view from your dining room. Got this beautiful pool. We'll take a look at the outside in just a minute. All right, and to our right over here, we got our full-size bath. This is the guest bathroom. And that does lead onto the pool area. They've taken this tile and put it from the top to bottom in the shower. You got a matching tile on the bottom as well. So if somebody's out there swimming, they gotta use the bathroom, they're gonna come in through that door so they're not dragging water throughout the house. This floor plan has been extremely attractive and popular to people. It's great for entertaining. This is the first guest bedroom. You have the 8-foot doors throughout the entire house, even in the closets. Good sized closet space. Small closet in here. And you got your second bedroom. Each room has a ceiling fan. All right. Now on the opposite side, well, before we go over there, we got to check out this den. Got a lot of natural light from these big windows. Got another big fan in here. Also 12-foot ceilings in this room. Got the grand entryway that goes all the way up to 14 feet actually. All right, so now here we have the master. The master also has a separate slider that leads onto the lanai area. And as you can see, there's an outdoor grill station. You got this wide window that offers privacy and also a lot of natural light. This room is plenty big for a king-size bed. It's got 2 closets. These are almost double the size of the closets in the other rooms. You got one on each side. You do have a second way to get into the attic. The first way is through the garage. And then again, this bathroom has been very popular with this model. It's a very big bathroom. Got quartz countertops. And you have this beautiful backsplash with this bathtub, floor to ceiling. And then around the corner, you have the shower. 2, in fact. So no more sharing. You get this large window again. Got a little closet right here. And then lastly, we have a private door here for the toilet. All right. Now, to check out the best part of the house, at least my favorite part of the house, which is the lanai area. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time, hopefully, here in Florida. Okay, you got the same pavers in the back as the front. Got this beautiful grill station. And you got an outdoor sink. You got a nice area over here for lounging. Put a couple chairs out there if you want to soak in some sunshine. Otherwise, if you want to stay out of the sun, this is going to be constantly covered, and so no need to worry about burning up. This house has northern exposure, rear exposure, I should say, northern rear exposure. This area is going through a lot of changes. There's a lot of new construction homes. The one, in fact, next door was just sold. It's a similar home. Looks different from the outside, though. These are brand new homes being built towards the back. There's a couple homes in front that are also being built. But that's that. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen today, give me a call at 315-725-7518. My contact information is in the comment box. And reach out anytime with any questions. I hope to talk to you soon. Have an excellent day.